The situation in Haiti is getting worse. Gangs are solidifying their hold over the capital, Port-au-Prince, while the government continues to collapse. On Monday, Prime Minister Ariel Henry promised to resign, a key demand of the gang leaders. The U.S. is now spearheading the creation of a new transitional government, but it's unclear what steps can be taken to restore the rule of law.
Moving forward on a political transition and getting to elections, none of that happens if there is profound insecurity, which is what we've seen.
And the instability is now moving beyond Haiti's borders. Dominican authorities in Dajabon deported dozens of Haitian migrants on Sunday, and they're stepping up their measures to keep the illegal migrants out. Construction of this new border wall began last year. The president of the Dominican Republic says so far about 100 miles of border wall has been completed. The goal is to eventually have a border wall run along the entire border with Haiti. He says it'll change the Dominican Republic forever. But Haitians say the efforts to seal the border are having a major impact. There's simply no domestic market in Haiti right now, and without the ability to sell their goods in DR, many say they have no way to make a living.
When we arrive with our goods, misery sets in because there are no small merchants or people to buy our products.
The first U.S. rescue charter flight landed in Miami yesterday with more than 30 Americans. The State Department says it is working on more evacuation options from the capital of Port-au-Prince. In Dajabon, Dominican Republic, Brian Yenes, Fox News.